Here are 3 lazy girl reels that you need to do. Hello and welcome. My name is Senya. If the word lazy offends you, let's change it up to beginners reels. I will be linking videos that teaches you about content creation as far as vlog and how to get that choppy look, what reels to create, and I go in depth in every single one. I will be linking everything below because I have so many resources for you so you can grow your socials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 examples that are quick and simple yet effective on Instagram. By the end of this video, you'll have a few ideas. Number 1, you're going to be recording what you're doing. Recording your activity. Think about everyday things that you already do. Making coffee, making greens, especially if you're in wellness. If you go to the gym, you can record your workouts. When you have a library of content like that, you'll feel so much more confident when a quote comes up or you have an idea you want to share. Quick tutorial, you can put a few words on top of the screen. Another thing you can do with this type of content is tell your story. Maybe not specifically the entire story on that exact video, but you can do it in the caption. There are a few ways to put text on screen or quote. If you are just like, girl, I'm super beginner, you can do it with a text message. So if someone like a before and after, or a client says that they absolutely love you, or you send a text that's super motivating to somebody, you can screenshot that, close it up, clean it up nice and cropped, and then copy paste into that video. Another one is the Notes app. The Notes app that's in your phone. Write whatever you need to write, paste it into whatever action you're doing, whether that's recording like this or writing. The next way that you can write quotes is through your Instagram story. Make the background a solid color, whatever your brand color is, or keep it black and white. Write quote that you want to do or whatever story, copy paste into the reel. Last, you can just write on screen. That's probably the easiest way. The other ways were if you wanted to make it a little bit more fancy. The point, if you are a beginner and you want to just get things done quick, perhaps you're short on time, number 2, you're going to absolutely love. If you have not watched my Threads video, I'm also going to link that. Threads is popping. I know you have a video somewhere of a beach, of a vacation that you went on, your drinks, of you driving as a passenger princess. All of those videos you can use and just add a thread on there. Why not just repurpose your content? There's a few ways that you can also grab some videos. These are called stock videos. You can't just go on Google and take somebody's video and just claim it as yours. You can go on Canva, go in the search and search computer typing, or you can search beach, pink sand, whatever you want to, and then a whole bunch of options will come up and you can download those as videos to use. Descript has that too. You guys know that I like to edit with Descript. So you can look up different videos, or you can simply Google stock video and a whole bunch of options will be there. And a lot of them are free. All of these videos will be very useful for that lazy girl content. Number 3, before and after videos. Tell your story the best way because it's visually telling your story. This is where I started. This is where I am now. So when you create these videos, these are so simple because all you need is 2 different videos. I partnered up with a hair care company and a lot of the girls do, this is where my hair used to be, damaged, frizzy, no hairline. Look, now I have luscious, long, beautiful, healthy hair. I used to be super shy. I hated being on camera. But now I am a public speaker that gets paid to do this in fitness. As a hairstylist, there's so many different ways that you can incorporate your story. If you have not tried this and pinned it to your profile, then you're missing a huge opportunity. People love story and they want to relate to something. Now, what's next? What do I write in the caption? I am going to talk about that in the next video. Either make sure to click on that or take a look at how to create a vlog on TikTok and Instagram. Bye.